everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute. Look, as we get older, we really need to trust our gut. There's a difference between good gut feelings and painful ones. You know what I'm talking about: heartburn, indigestion, bloating, constipation. As we get older, our body's need for nutrients goes up, but perhaps you might have noticed your tolerance for certain foods goes down. So I want to talk to you guys briefly today a little bit more about why your gut is starting to behave differently as we age. Number one, your stomach shrinks. As we age, there's a decrease in what's called gastrointestinal reserve. In other words, our stomach's muscle is less stretchable. So we can't hold as much food as we once could. And our intestines also begin to lose their strength, okay? So just like anything else, those muscles start to weaken and our food is going to move more slowly through the digestive tract. So the more binging and gorging you do, like a teenager, your gut just cannot take it as we age. So keep that in mind. Very important to slow down the chewing process, be more mindful as we eat and not eat too much in any one sitting. And perhaps as we age, this tool of grazing and eating smaller meals throughout the day as opposed to 3 really big ones is going to be more beneficial to you as you age. And we also talk about something called the sipping solution in the Primetime Health workshop as well. Number 2, acid refluxes, okay? That muscular valve that keeps food in your stomach and prevents it from being regurgitated back into the esophagus becomes weaker as well as we age. So when we eat too much, too fast, and we get that burning sensation and irritate that sensitive lining of the esophagus, that's all that acid in your stomach that's splashing back up because your stomach is too full. Number 3, your digestion absolutely slows down as we grow older. Our intestinal function, our saliva production, our stomach emptying slows down. Number 4, nutrient absorption also slows down. So those normal folds of the intestine get flatter as we age. So what happens? This is going to decrease the absorption surface of the intestine, which may cause the intestines to be less able to absorb the nutrients. So it becomes more important that we eat more nutrient-dense foods so that we are still getting the proper amount of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that our body needs. Number 5, your garbage disposal weakens. What are you talking about, my garbage disposal? Well, once your large intestine disposes of waste, any remaining toxins from the digestive process head to the backup disposal, your liver. And your liver has a lot of reserve, but as we age, that reserve decreases. So if you're putting too much garbage in, okay, all that junky or excess food, that's going to clog up your disposal system. And let me tell you something, guys, when we're teenagers and we're young, our body is so efficient at just ridding itself of the bad stuff that we put in. It is working hard for you. It wants you to be healthy. But as we age, it just isn't able to do it for us anymore. So really eating a more nutrient-dense diet and a healthier pattern of eating becomes even more important as we age. Number 6. I know you guys know this. If you're 35 plus, you've already experienced this, I'm sure. Metabolism slows, right? It's a thing. As we age, we become calorie storers instead of calorie burners. Less fuel burned means less fuel needed. There's absolutely some ways to combat this. Aging does not have to equal weight gaining. So, if you want to learn more ways on more strategies and how to decrease the impact of all of these things that are going on while we're aging, Check out the Primetime Health Workshop on my website at Frisco Fit City. Give me a call. Let's talk. If you're wondering, what should I do? What foods should I eat? How often? What are the foods I should avoid? If you want to learn more and get those good gut feelings and eliminate the bad ones, send me an email. Let me help you. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, get moving each and every day. Make it a great day.